Hey neighbors, we're back out looking at another Normandy home in Irving. We're at 1336 Otter Way, and this is a Normandy floor plan. So let's go take a quick tour. It's gonna be rough, but bear with me, but it'll be fun to go see. This is why we wear boots. Let me put it that way. So this is why you guys should wear like really good shoes that have really strong soles, thick soles. Don't ever step on wood, stay on the mud and the sand. There are 16 penny nails and screws everywhere. This is an active construction site. All right, 2-car garage. It's got a bricked entry with a light above it. We have got the carpet going in today, obviously. So this is gonna be, see, this is a casement opening. There's no door on it. See, like that's got the hinges. This is just a casement opening. This is actually drywall, and they do have a door back here. So this is gonna be a study up front. Actually, you know what? All right, so right off the entry, we've got a bedroom up front, we've got a bath, and a walk-in closet. So that is really slick. That's a great guest room too. Here you've got the office. We've got the carpet going in. It's a nice high ceiling, got good windows. These are gonna be cleaned up, build the glass. Going back down the hallway, that's off the garage. And we've got a downstairs bath, no light switch in there. Sorry guys, it's dark. And there's a utility room, which you can't see. As you can see, the switches haven't been put in yet here. So this is a strange room. It's a closet. It looks like a bedroom, but we just got doors with glass on them. So you never know what you're gonna run into at a construction site. So today, we got sideswiped with Tejano music and carpet install. That was not the best tour I've ever done. We had to do it quick to get out of their way. They were getting ready to tack down the carpet. So I got blasted with music in one, and I got gassed with fresh paint fumes in the other. I hope in general that's going to give you a good feel for what the floor plan looks like. It's a little better than nothing. I don't know if it was worth 3 hours of driving to get over here to film these for you. It was kind of a bust today, but I do hope it helped. All right, we'll talk to you later.